How to write a schedule. We're going to go up to the green bar and tap on those three lines again. As you can see down here, about halfway down, it says schedule. Some of you might prefer to write a schedule out that will then help facilitate and walk you through each week instead of going store by store. Scheduling is pretty cool. So what it does is when you open it up, it brings you to a calendar. I've already preloaded the 11:59 in here, but if let's say I'm going to go to another store today. So maybe on Sunday of this week, I preloaded. In order to enter a store, you tap on the plus sign in the red circle. You will see up here it says place. Tap on that, and here's where I need to enter my 4-digit store number. First, I need to have the pound signed, and then I'm going to enter in the store number I wish to go to. Tap on the store to lock it in. Now what I can do is I can select the date, I can select the time I want to go there, I can even select the repeat. The repeat is the call cycle that's assigned to that store. So if maybe this store has an every 2 week, so a bi-weekly call cycle, I'm going to tap on every 2 weeks, and now that will be permanently built into my schedule, unless of course I decide to go in and alter it. Once you put in all the bits of information that you'd like that are going to be in sync with this store, building your schedule, you will save it. Okay? Now I've built my schedule, and I want to add one more store actually because it'll give us a clearer picture. So I'm going to press pound, and I'm going to go ahead and select 0018. I'm going to select the repeat is every week, and I will save it. I want to now travel to these stores. So guess what? When you're using schedule, you can go up and click on route. Route now gives you the shortest, cleanest route between stores. If I want to optimize that, clicking a current location, it will give me the shortest routes between the stores that I have scheduled for that day. Now, if I went to 11:59 first, the last visit, I want to not go there first this time because I've already met with the store personnel. So maybe I want to go to 1470 first because I haven't seen that receiver in a couple of weeks. All I need to do is tap on the blue circle and I can move it. Do you see how that's moving? So I can take 1470 and bump it up to the top of the list just by moving it. Oops, I need to move this one down. And now 1470 is the top of my list. It will reorganize your map at the top and you can follow it in sequence. Now, if I want to go a little bit deeper, I can tap on the black diamond in between, again, choosing my starting point. And this will open up what looks almost like a MapQuest map for you. It gives you how long it's going to take you, the mileage. You can press on start, you can do steps, and it will take you to your first store and so on. Using schedule is also a great tool if you are currently covering an area for another rep that you're not very familiar with, or perhaps you're covering a region that doesn't currently have a rep. So using this tool gives you the directions, it walks you through the shortest routes, etc. If you have a chance, I encourage you to go in, dabble with the schedule, learn how to utilize it, because you may find it's the best method for you in managing your weekly service call schedule. You can also log into schedule. So if I'm back at my home activities page from 11:59, you'll see in the green bar it says schedule. I can tap on that and it takes me into the schedule if I had one built for this particular store. So I could go ahead and build a schedule from here, or I can look at when I'm going to return. That, my friends, is scheduling.